मीन्स मतलब न्यूज़पेपर. So सुबह सवेरे ढेरों खबरें लेकर आ जाता है अखबार. पहले पढ़ने की छीन झपट में फटफटा जाता है अखबार. So what do you mean by सुबह सवेरे ढेरों खबरें? Early morning with lots of news. अखबार comes to our home. Okay. पहले पढ़ने की छीन झपट में. पहले पढ़ने की छीन झपट means who reads first? You and her will fight for the newspaper. No, I will read first. You will read first. तो छीन झपट means pull and push. में फटफटा जाता है अखबार. It gets torn. You people pull, it gets torn. So पता पढ़ने चाय के कप संग दादा ऐनक संग अखबार. So पापा पढ़े चाय के कप संग. Father reads newspaper with the help of what? He reads newspaper with tea, with a cup of tea. Whereas Dada Ainak sang akhbar. Ainak, what do you mean by Ainak? Specs. So grandfather reads with the help of specs. What he reads? Akhbar. हुई दोपहरी दादी खुश है पोती से सुन सुन अखबार. हुई दोपहरी by afternoon दादी gets. Who's दादी? Grandmother. She gets the newspaper finally after Papa Dada reads. Okay. And हुई दोपहरी दादी खुश हैं पोती से. Who's पोती? Granddaughter. Exactly. पोती से सुन सुन अखबार. She granddaughter became very happy after hearing granddaughter. Grandmother became very happy after hearing granddaughter reading the newspaper. अपने देश और बाहर का हाल बता जाता है अखबार. अपने देश means our country and बाहर का means foreign countries. Like we get to know through newspaper, know about UK, US. We have world newspaper column also, right? So in that we get to know about other countries also. So अपने देश means our country. बाहर means other countries. हाल बता जाता है. What do you mean by हाल? Condition, news, whatever condition. So you get to know about other countries here. हाल बता जाता है अखबार. कथा चुटकुले छुट्टी के दिन लेकर आता है अखबार. कथा चुटकुले on Sundays when you have holiday, newspaper brings story column, right? You have a story to read. Chutkule. What do you mean by chutkule? Jokes, comics. Have you seen cartoons? In one column you'll have this chutkule, jokes and stories. Newspaper brings on holidays. Okay. रेल जहाजों और मोटर में. रेल जहाजों means rail. What is rail? Train. Jahaajo means ship and motor, bike. So it travels through rail, ships, bikes, flights and reaches. दौड़ लगाता है अखबार. दौड़ means it fast comes to your doorstep. मुझे पढ़ो मत बैठो खाली. यह समझाता है अखबार. मुझे पढ़ो means read me. Why you are sitting simply? Read me. You will get knowledge. That is what अखबार हमें समझाता है. अखबार क्या समझाता है? Don't sit idle. Don't waste your time. Read newspaper. Gain lot of knowledge. Understood? चलो समय के साथ. चलो समय के साथ. Walk with time. Get to know the news. Gain knowledge. Walk with time. यही हम सबको बदलता अखबार. सारी दुनिया दिखे निराली ऐसी खिड़की बन जाता अखबार. So what do you mean by यही हम सबको समझाता है अखबार? मतलब अखबार यह बताता है कि हमें खाली नहीं बैठना चाहिए. हमें पढ़ना चाहिए. नॉलेज गेन करना चाहिए. ओके. सारी दुनिया दिखे निराली. So when you sit and read about other city. Now you are sitting here in Bangalore. Through newspaper you read about Delhi. So you have your own imagination, no? Nirali. Nirali means lot of imaginations. You have different perspectives. You get to know about Delhi from sitting here, right? So that is what it's saying. So मुझे पढ़ो सारी दुनिया दिखे निराली ऐसी खिड़की. खिड़की means it's an open window to knowledge. खिड़की बन जाता है अखबार. Who's the author? Lata Pant. What is her name? Lata Pant.